boom. Go ahead.
Since we socially distanced, I can take this mask off. So basically what we had there was a Catalina printer offline. But the work order called for us to install a new line, Top Notch Nation networks. We don't see what we can find there first to prevent extra work. So we found a vacant Cat 5 line. Put a yes sir.
I'm Edit King. Just keep going.
So we put a test on it, toned it out, found it, put connectors on both ends, tested good. We placed those patch cords on both ends, and we ended up testing with Catalina Network immediately online once they told us the right port to put it in. But now you got to remember, work order called for us to replace that, replace a whole line. You don't always have to do that. That's what you get with the nation and the networks. We're gonna find a way. Oh, by the way, a little FYI, this thing hadn't been fixed in 6 months. We brought in the professionals from Top Notch Nation Networks, and we completed it, no problem. That's what we do.